In today's Listbomb, we cover the top 8 lesser-known facts about Thanksgiving and what's commonly associated with it. Number 8. The first Thanksgiving in 1621 was celebrated for over 3 days. Number 7. President Abraham Lincoln was the first president to declare Thanksgiving a national holiday. Number 6. Pumpkin pie is not American. Pumpkin pie was originally an English recipe that involves slices of pumpkin and apple baked in a pie crust. Number 5. American turkeys are bred to have larger breasts, which prevent male turkeys from fertilizing the eggs. Because of this, female turkeys have to be manually fertilized by people. Number 4. For the past 67 years, the President of the United States of America has pardoned a live turkey every Thanksgiving. The pardoned turkey gets to live on a farm until they die of old age. Number 3. The well-known gobble gobble sound that's often associated with a female turkey is actually the male turkey. The female or hen turkey makes a gentle clucking or clicking sound. Number 2. The Wednesday before Thanksgiving has the most liquor sales of the whole year. I guess you need to be drunk to see your family. Number 1. The most popular Thanksgiving dish is mashed potatoes. Now, Thanksgiving is an American holiday, but even if you're not American, I invite you to celebrate it. Eat delicious food, spend time with family, and give thanks to the good things in life. And finally, I'm a stuffing kind of guy, but tell me, what's your favorite Thanksgiving dish? Leave your comments below, and I hope you guys have a happy holiday.